Consider a system of two charges of magnitude 2 into 10 raised to the power negative 7 coulombs and 4.5 into 10 raised to the power negative 7 coulombs, which is acted upon by a force which is 0.1 newtons. What is the distance between the two charges here? So in the system, two charges has been given, that is, let me write here q1, which is equals to 2 into 10 raised to the power negative 7 coulombs, and another q2, which is equals to 4.5 into 10 raised to the power negative 7 coulombs here. And the force has been given, that is F, which is equals to 0.1 newton. And by using this value, they are asking us to calculate the distance between the charges, which is R equals to question mark. And what we are having the formula? We are having the formula, that is F, which is equals to K Q1 Q2 over R square. Now we need to make a formula for R here. Okay, now let me do the cross multiplication. So R square goes to the left side, and the right side will be having Q1 Q2 over F. Okay, now this square, it is there now, I'm shifting to the right side, so I'll be having now square root and the whatever we are having here. Okay, now I'm going to substitute the values whatever it is here. Okay, now K value, that is, before that, square root of K value is what? That is 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 Newton meter square over C square. Okay, now Q1 Q2 value which is there now, I'm going to substitute here, and Q2 which is 4.5 into 10 raised to the power negative 7 coulombs here. Okay, now in the denominator we are having, that is force, which is multiply 0.1 newton here. Okay, from here 1 newton and this newton, it will get cancelled, and here it is C square and C into C, that is C square, it will get cancelled. Now in the next step, 9 into 2 into 4.5, after multiplication I'll be getting, that is a 81 into, let me write 10 raised to the power 9 as it is. Now look at this. Okay, same bases are there, and powers, what we can do, we can add here. So we'll be having negative 14 divided by 0.1 here. Okay, now in the next step, square root of 81 into here, look at this, bases are same, powers are, what we can do, we can add here. Since the powers, it is having unlike sign, so we need to subtract. So after subtraction I'll be getting negative 5 here, and here it is 0.1 which is in the denominator, so 0.1 I can write it as a 1 by 10 here. When I'll do the reciprocal, it goes to the numerator. I'll be having 10 raised to the power, I'm just going to write it as a 1 here. Okay, for the further calculation. Now here square root of 81 into, the bases are same, again 10 raised to the power minus 4 here. So here I can write like 9 square into here 10 raised to the power negative 2, again raised to the power 2 square root here. Now if I take 2 as a common, this square root and 2, it will get cancelled. We left with a 9 into 10 raised to the power negative 2, and let me bring to the denominator. So I'll be having 100 when I'll open it. So when I'll convert to the decimal, I'll be having 0.09. Since it is in the distance, this is a meter here. Okay, I forgot to mention here it is, we left with the m square. Let me write everywhere m square, which is under the square root only here. Okay, up to here and up to here, again with the this two powers, it will get cancelled, and we left with the 1 meter. Okay, so distance between these two charges, which is 0.09 meter here.